Hello viewers, if you are looking for hyperlink documents in Excel, then this video is right for you. Usually we create a document register in Excel this way. Document register. If you are if you want to maintain document register in Excel, then you might be needed to linked file in Excel. Then how will you do it? This is just a sample demonstration for your better understanding. As you see here, I am creating a document register. So it will be a category. Then just think this is a business category, business docs category. Then here you will write reference, then document name, A B C D, then document name. Here you will write a document name, what you want to link. That file may be PDF or anything else. You may see on desktop that already I made a file that I will link with into Excel, business and commercial law. My document name is business and commercial law. I want to link this file. Document name, document link, edit detail. Click here. So this is the message. If you click here, then the file will open. Here we also can mention the location, desktop. As I am, as I already set this file into desktop, the version date. Here we can mention the version date when this file is created. I am putting today. So how will you link? Earlier I already showed that how will you link any hyperlink or or go to any existing sheet. Now I am going to show you the way how will you link a file. If you there are several methods. If you want to link file, you can press Ctrl plus K, then this window will open, sub window. And another method, if you go to insert tab, then you have to click as hyperlink. Also another way, right click here and click on hyperlink. Now see here, existing file or web page, place in this document we want to create here, existing file or web page. From here you will, from this window you will choose where the file is saved, select desktop. From here we will choose which file we want to link, business and commercial law. You may see that in the background this file has linked. If we click here, then the file will open. It's opening, business and commercial law. So in this way you can add many files here, and easily you can manage this document register. So if you think you are benefited through this video, please like, share and subscribe.